Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is failed to process any video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your WhatsApp is not processing your video file in your WhatsApp, there might be two reasons for that. The first one is that your internet connection or device stability is not good at the time, and the second option is whoever sent you that video, the video might already be deleted because you haven't enabled any backup option. In this scenario, only thing that you can do is to tell the sender to send the video again. But if you don't want to face this problem again, just simply go into your settings. And into these settings, just simply go into this chat settings, and into here you will find this chat backup option. From here you can easily backup your chats or video files into your WhatsApp. If you don't know how to backup, you can get the videos into our channel. Don't forget to watch this. Now after doing this, your problem will successfully be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.